Hi guys, very good evening. Hello everyone. Good evening, Swanika. तबीयत कैसी है तुम्हारी? Hi everyone. Hi Himanshi. Hi Siddharth. Hi Divyang. Hi Simran. Hi Lavanya. Hi Abhishek. Hi Forum. Hi Lakshmi. Hi Ankit. Hi Kriti. Hi Abhishek. Hi Sakshi. Hi Atishay. Hi Swarnika. Hi Kirti. Hi Bunny, hi Manish, hi Divya, hi Sahil, hi Archit, hi Sanket, hi Ritik, hi Harsh, hi Anjali, hi Dipali, hi Puneet, hey Yash, Sachi, Hitanshu, Shreyas, educated snowman. My God, how did we get this? We are lucky. Shilpi, Ghazal, Lalit, Prashant, Akash, Kunal, Gaurav, Tushar, Vamsi, Gajalakshmi, Namrata, Sanket, Shubham, Mehak, Hi, Shyam, Priyanka, Niyati, Keshav, Harsh, Mitesh, Anshita. Good evening, guys. More Pratiksha, Anusha, Prash, MJ, Prasad, Ritima. Hi, good evening, everyone. Atul, Akshay, Kshitij, Anusha. Hi, Swikriti. Good evening. Kishore, Ankit, Nishita. Hello. Ayushi, Mahesh. Good evening, Praveen. Bhakti, thank you, Divyang. We really need that. But let me just finish with my announcements and then. Hi, Abhishek. Hi, Meet. Hi, Sanya. Hi, Brajesh. Hello, everybody. Surbhi, Pure, Saloni. Hello, Cutie. Vedya. Yes, there is a class at 7 p.m. Of course, there is. Navneet, Ayush, Anushka, Mahim, Aman, Suman. No, it's not too late to start for CAT 21, Amol. That is why we are talking about what you need to do about CAT 21. Yes, you can find a recording of this session later, Lalit. The link is in the group. You can take that link after half an hour. The session is over. Once it is over, then you can view it anytime. Pratham, Vaishali, Tarun. Hi, Arpit. Hi. Hello, my cutie. How are you? Hi, Purva. Hello, Anushka. Very good evening, everybody. Lovely to have all of you. Help? Hello. Hi, Pratham. Hi, Kritika. Hi, Arnav. All right, very quickly, let me get my announcements out of the way and then we can get started with this session where we're going to be talking about what can you do now if you're starting for CAT 21. Is it too late? Is it on time? Do you really need to rush up? We'll talk about all of that and more in today's session. So quick announcements. Ask a Doubt is live now, guys. If you have any doubts, just go to Ask a Doubt, take a picture, crop it, send it to us. We'll resolve your doubts right away. Also, the iconic batches are live now, guys. If you wish to buy an iconic subscription, you will get mentorship from top B school graduates. You'll get your personal mentor, test analysis, OMED prep, and all the benefits of Plus. Here is our very own Piyush Pratik in the results. Amazing. Okay, the next scholarship test is happening on 9th of May with amazing awards for this. So the first three ranks get a 1 year plus subscription, ranks 4 to 10 a 75% scholarship, ranks 11 to 50 a 50% scholarship, and ranks 51 to 225% scholarship. Hi Riyaz. Hey guys. Hi Jyoti. Hi Yash. So there's lots and lots of scholarships. Remember to use AbhiCat Live to unlock it, to enroll, to subscribe, to do whatever. If you're buying a subscription today, a 6 month one, then you will get actually a 7 month subscription. So 1 month free. Also use AbhiCat Live and get a 10% off on that. Okay, new batches, 3rd May, revision batch है 5th May, perfect score है और 8th March May को champion batch with my very cute friend Shabana ma'am. Adorable. All right, guys. So I have got 2 upcoming batches. On the 12th of May, we start with the CR-based course, which is Monday to Thursday, 7 p.m. And the 13th of May, I have a practice course on VRC, which is our 1000 PYQ course, part 4, starting away. This will be Monday, Tuesday, Thursdays, and Fridays, 7 p.m. Sorry, 5:45 p.m. This time only. All right, my score booster course is going on Friday 7 to 8:30. Weekend course on RC for Legend, Saturdays and Sundays 7. And crash course for Parabase, which is ongoing right now. Today at 7, we will have our next class. Hi, Sunny. Hi guys, all of you. Thank you so much for joining me for this session. I'd also requested Shabana ma'am if she had any new joinees and who had not done an orientation to send off some of her students also. So I hope some of you are there. Yes, Tarun, I will start. Don't worry, Puttar. Hi, Ritima. Tejash. Hello, hello, hello. Very nice to have you. I requested Shabana ma'am that I'm doing an orientation, and if there are any of your students who have just joined up, just do send them to me. So she said, yeah. She also asked me for a GPay. So I'm going to GPay her 2 rupees for Tejash. Oh, just kidding, but yeah, I love her for that. Yeah. Hey guys. All right. Okay. Oh my goodness, we've got Dada in the house, man. Though I'm not a cricket fan, but hey, Saurav Ganguly and his t-shirt dropping moment was epic. In Indian cricket, that kind of aggression and showmanship never happened before. So yeah. Hi, Dan, my cutie. I'm like a laughing Buddha. Hi, Ram. Bejjati kar rahe ho? All right, guys, and this is not what you think it is. All right. I know that, Ankit, you're very mean. That was not a no compliment at all. I thought maybe शक हो जाएगा लोग मैम जब 5:45 हो गया सनडाउनर का टाइम है बैठ भी गई है हंस भी ज्यादा रही है कुछ गड़बड़ है oh, all right, guys, let's get started. So we are talking about cat. Why am I doing a cat orientation? One, because when on the 1st of May, I was doing the Legend batch. We started off the 3rd edition of Legend on 1st of May with reading comprehension. So a lot of people asked me what to do for cat. We have just started. This is my first day. I don't know how to do VRC preparation. And I had promised you that day that I'll do a session on VARC on CAT, what you need to do, what is that thought process that you should have for your exam. I hope by now everybody has at least seen the CAT paper. Yes, there is a regular class happening every day, Puttar. Every day. There are. अच्छा ओके सनी ठीक है शेयर कर लो मीन टाइम में मैं बता ही रही हूँ कुछ सो एवरी डे आई हैव 3 classes. My special class is at noon every single day. My second class, which may be a plus or a non-plus, depends, is at 5:45, and my third session is at 7 p.m., which is a regular plus class. Okay, so that, and I have a 9 a.m. Hindu reading comprehension session, which I do every single day. So my schedule is very fixed. Here is my schedule every single day. So this is my Hindu RC at 9 a.m. on YouTube, vocab at noon every day. This is a special class. 1000 PYQs is a special, it can be a special class or can be a plus. From 13th, it will be a plus course. And then para based on RC at 7 p.m. So that's my plan every single day. All right, YouTube link भेज देंगे group में जाता है. Okay, Divyang, can you give me the group link also? All right, so guys, what I'm going to do is for some time, I'm going to shut down your comments. Let me know. Let me not shut down the comments. Otherwise, it's like very blind. Nobody knows what is happening. Thank you, Divyang. Thank you. Yes, I'm putting up the group link here. So I put up the group link. I pinned it here. If you want to join my Telegram group, here it is. You can join in. Okay, we've got material, we've got articles, we've got quizzes, and so on and so forth. Okay. Yes, it is. All right. So let's start with the first question, and that's the most important question. Am I late now? It is starting of May. Today is 5th of May. CAT will be on the 3rd Sunday of November. So 3rd Sunday of November should be around what? 20th? Somewhere around 20th. Let us assume 20th of November. 28th of November ko hai. Okay, date fix ho gayi hai. Chalo, hi Adish. All right. Is it too late? How many months does it make? May, June, July, August, September, October. 6 months and half a month. That's about 6.5 months that we have. Beta, the group link is above the comments. Just above the comments, see, it is linked. There is a group link there. Okay. This is a plus and non-plus. I don't have separate groups this year. I'm just doing one group where I can focus on everybody. I remember, no batamizi in the group. If you do anything, if you comment on anything, if you do anything rude, I'll throw you out. Simple. Don't misbehave. Don't personal message any of the girls or any of the boys. No charas. Okay. Be good. Study. That will be a good group. Okay. You are going to bow charas. I'm going to bow charas in your life. So that should not happen. We're going to be very cool, good friends. We'll study. There's lots of things happening in the group, so you will actually find it very useful. All right. So thank you, Akshada. Okay. So for now, I'll just shut down your comments for 10 minutes. I wanted to say my things, and then of course I'll come back and open up the comments for you to say whatever you want to. So is 6.5 months enough for CAT preparation? Yes, it is. Absolutely. This is adequate time for anyone to prepare. A lot of people also start in July and are able to do their CAT preparation by November. So it is not impossible for you to do that. You have 6.5 months. If you study a decent amount of time, you will be able to crack it. Okay. So that's there. It is not impossible. So anyone who thinks that you're late, no, you're not. You're just at that time when it is after this, it may be a little late. Okay. So therefore, this is a good time. You have May, you have June, you have July, and you have August. 4 months to do your concepts, which is a good enough time. Okay. And thereafter to do your practice. So September, October, November, 3 months, 2.5 months to do intensive practice is good time. Okay. If you make it a little later, then your preparation and your practice then kind of overlaps, which then is not a good thing. So right now, if you start, you have May, you have June, and you have July, and you have August. 4 months for your concept building, which is good enough. Okay. And then you can, from September, October, and November, you can do your practice, which is good. Okay. So this is a perfect time. Any later, then you would be too late. So anyone who's starting off now, perfectly good time. Cheers to that. All right, now let us talk about what all I wanted to talk to you about. So what are the various MBA exams? Let's talk about that, and then we'll take it one by one, step by step. How should you be preparing? All right, so here is a list of exams that you should be thinking of filling up, or you should be thinking of applying. Now, please understand that you should not just think of CAT as the only exam you're writing. MBA entrance in India or MBA colleges in India, there is a spectrum of colleges, and those spectrum of colleges take scores from different exams. Therefore, you will not just be writing CAT. You will be writing XAT, which is the Xavier Aptitude Test. You will be writing NMAT, which is the Narsee Monjee Aptitude Test. You'll be writing SNAP, which is the Symbiosis National Aptitude. Okay. You will be writing the IIFT test, which is essentially for IIFT, all the branches. And then there are some other colleges also. You could be writing TISNET. I don't really say that you have to write TISNET. But if you're focused on HR, you really want to work in HR, then a TISNET is a good exam. You should be writing MASET, especially if you are a Marathi, then this is a done decision. So that then you should be writing CMAT. That can be another exam. And MAT is one more exam, though I don't really recommend MAT to a lot of people because MAT does not have very good colleges. And ultimately, if you're going to be spending 10-15 lakhs, you want good return on investment. You don't want to waste your parents' money. And that is why the MAT colleges are not so good. And that is why you should not be thinking of it. Okay. If and only if you're doing your post-graduation just to get married, just to get a degree, then MAT is okay. Otherwise, no. And I'll tell you something, don't study to get married. Okay. Study so you can build a career. And that is why don't think of MAT that much. Okay. Think of all these other lovely exams that we have with all these amazing colleges that exist in the country. You have so many of them. You have IIMs. There are so many IIMs. The top 6, of course, there is Blackie, which is Bangalore, Lucknow, Ahmedabad, Calcutta, Kozhikode, and Indore. So that's our top 6. You have SP Jain, you have FMS, you have MDI, you have the IITs, all the IIT schools of management. You have NITI, you have 4, you have LBS, you have IMI, you have IMT, and you have hundreds of other colleges also. There must be at least 100 more. Okay, I did not want to write them down because कितने लिखूंगी और क्यों लिखूंगी. Then XATC, you have XLRI, you have XUB, which is now the Xavier University. Okay, you have Zyme, you have XISS, you have JIM, and again there are lots of other colleges also. Then NMATS, of course, Narsi Munchi, there are some other colleges, but NMIMS is the best one. SNAP has about 17 or 18 colleges within it. Okay, the best ones, of course, is it's not SIMB, it is SIBM. So SIBM, SCMHRD, SIDTM, SIMS, which is the Army School, SIIB, which is the International Business School. They have banking college, they have sports college, they have events, they have 100 other colleges also. Then IFT, Delhi, of course, is the god of foreign trade colleges. They have another 2-3 branches, 2 other branches. So that is there. IFT, great college. TISNET, again, Tata has Tata School of Tata Institute of Social Sciences has a number of branches across the country, but they have some courses for HR, which are very good. If you're really interested in HR, then Tata colleges, all of these, the Tata Institute colleges are very good. But this is a very limited scope thing, right? Then Mahaset. So like I said, anyone who's looking at is from Maharashtra. Amazing, because JBIMS, the Jamnalal Bajaj Institute of Management Studies, takes its admission from Mahaset or CMAT. Okay. Then Sydenham, Wellinger, KJ Somaya, Pumba, NIA, NLD, and so many. There are lots of institutes. All the universities in Maharashtra take their admission through Mahaset. All the other colleges also have seats for this. CMAT, again, you have common number of all these will be common. Plus all other state universities also, you have a number of seats in CMAT. And plus, like I said, MAT, there will be another big chunk of colleges that are there. So this is the universe that you are thinking of. Do not just think of CAT as one exam that you will be writing. Okay. All right. Now, okay. Anyone, any question on colleges that you have or on the exams very quickly? So these are all the exams you should be thinking of, right? So, okay. आगे चलिए फिर next thought पे चलती हूँ. I have some things that I just want to share with you. GMAT, I'm not talking GMAT because GMAT we really don't consider. It's good for US. Okay. CMAT is average. It is not very good. Some of these, like these colleges will be good. But beyond that, average. Difficulty level of ZAT, okay. Yeah. Difficulty, I don't know when Mahaset is happening. God only knows. God only knows. Okay. TISNET HR के लिए best है. नहीं, HR के लिए best तो XLRI है. Okay. For XLRI is the best college for HR in India, followed by TISNET. Okay. CAT and ZAT are at the same level of difficulty. Okay. So both the exams, if CAT is easy 1 year, ZAT is difficult that year. If CAT is difficult 1 year, ZAT is easy that year. And they're very competitive. Yes, IITs are only for BTech students. Do not go into specializations right now. I don't want to talk about a specialization specifically. All the top colleges, all specializations you will get and they will be equally good. नहीं, XLRI सिर्फ HR के लिए नहीं है, सारे colleges हैं, सारे streams available हैं. You get all the streams in XLRI. XLRI has 2 courses. There is a BM course, which is the business management course, and then there is the PM and IR course, person management and industrial relation course. So the BM course is the better one. उसमें तुम्हें सारे streams मिलेंगे. PM and IR में HR limited होगा. I'll tell you something. If a college is accepting an Indian exam and a GMAT, go for the Indian exam. Yeah, it will be cheaper in every sense. Okay. For ABM, Agribusiness Management, IIMS, IIFM. These are the 2 colleges that you should be thinking of. IIM Ahmedabad has ABM, IIM Lucknow has ABM, and IIFM is Indian Institute of Forest Management, which has ABM. KJ Somaya, yes, does accept CMAT, if I'm not mistaken. CAT to, oh, what a good question, yaar. What a good question. Okay. So I'm going to hold on to that question and answer that. So that is CAT going to be 2 hours or 3 hours this year? What a lovely question Sunny has asked, and I will talk about that for just a second. Do you think COVID is going away this year? No. Why did they change the pattern of CAT from 3 hours to 2 hours? Because of COVID. Because they wanted to conduct the exam in one day and they wanted to make sure that the COVID protocols are followed. So this year also they will follow the COVID protocols. That means they will have to have at least a 3 hour window between two exams. And that is why exams will not go, CAT will not go to the 3 hour pattern this year. It will remain to the 2 hour pattern. That is my prediction, man. And I'm not God, trust me. So I'm just predicting that CAT will be only 2 hours. They will not go back to the 3 hour pattern because COVID, boys and girls, is not going away this year also. Trust me. We will not be able to inoculate everybody till November. That's a guarantee from my end. So therefore, CAT will take its own format. The last year format only same rahega. There's going to be no change. CAT, you already are aware, the format is very simple. It has 3 sections. You have QA, you have LRDI, and you have VRC, right? So that is this thing. Okay. All right. Okay. So what is it that VRC will entail in each one of these exams? So I've put together some of the topics that you get in each one of these exams, and we'll talk about a little bit about that. So of course, CAT, the syllabus is very limited, guys. The CAT paper has, for the last 5 years, just had 4 types of questions. They've had reading comprehension, they've had para jumbles, they have para summary, and odd one out. Nothing else. Okay. That, however, has had every year. This year was 76 questions. So that was CAT. We'll talk about that, Vaishali. I'll come to that. Let's first understand. No, CAT will not be postponed. When they didn't postpone it last year, why will they postpone it this year? So no scope of postponement at all. How many months is prepared? Yes, we'll talk about that. Okay. All right. So let's quickly take a look. So ZAT में क्या difference है? RC है, para jumbles है, critical reasoning है, vocabulary है, closure है, grammar है. Interestingly, they also have a poem RC. They test you on figures of speech also, and there may be assorted other questions also. Okay. NMAT, you have RC, CR, sentence correction, just the usual stuff. SNAP again, RC, vocab, grammar, everything is encompassed within SNAP. IFT again, they have figures of speech, they have foreign words, they have grammar, vocab, RC, everything. TISNET again, everything. MASET, there is a big section of reasoning separately also. So that's a good one. CMAT, again, you will get a lot of reasoning along with everything else. MAT has everything. So if you look at the paper essentially, then it is broken up into 5 areas of studying. Okay. These 5 areas of studying, which all of you should understand, okay, that you will have to do for your CAT preparation. Will be number 1 will be vocabulary. Okay. Number 2 will be reading comprehension. Number 3 will be the para-based questions. What do I mean by para-based? Para jumbles, para summary, para completion, odd one out, stuff like that. Then 4th will be grammar-based questions. Because if you look at all these exams, if I just go back, all of them except for CAT, everybody has some amount of grammar in it. Okay. So grammar-based questions. And 5th, there will be some amount of reasoning in all of these. So of course, I'm just saying critical reasoning, but there will also be analytical reasoning, okay, which is what that mathematical reasoning is: sequence, series, clocks, calendars, and so on, arrangements, and so on. So there will be essentially these 5 areas of studying that you are doing. Let me just cut out the AR portion because the VRC people don't really bother about that. So we are just bothered with this. So these 5 areas are areas that we are going to be studying for CAT for all the MBA entrances. Now, a lot of you will say, ma'am, because CAT only has RC and para base, therefore we should not be studying all of this stuff right now. We can do it when the exams come. Whatever exam comes, I'll prepare for that. You cannot do that. Okay, that's my first statement. Why can't you? Because for reading comprehension and for para-based questions, you will require vocabulary, you will require grammar, and you will require some amount of critical reasoning also. This has to be developed. So these vocabulary, grammar, reasoning, these are baseline skills. And therefore, these will have to be developed from now on. If you think that after CAT, after the 28th of November, or when on the 16th or 18th or 25th of December, you will have SNAP, you will suddenly become brilliant and in 1 month do all the vocabulary that is required. That's not going to happen, trust me, because you will also be practicing for decision making for XLRI at that point of time, because XLRI will be on the first Sunday of January. तो हो नहीं पाएगा, उस समय time नहीं होता है. And that is why this is the time when you start working on all of this, all of this. Slowly and steadily, everything can be covered, okay? But you start working on each one of these. So do not say that, oh, I'm only going to do para-based and RC. I'm not going to do grammar, I'm not going to do vocab, I'm not going to do reasoning, because ये तो CAT में आता नहीं है. हाँ नहीं आता है, but बाकी एग्जाम्स में आता है, इसलिए आपको आना चाहिए. Anyone who will write CAT will have to study all of this and will have to make sure that you do well in each one of these. Equal competency in each of these areas is required. So all five. Now, what is it that you're preparing within these sections? So let's talk about that also. I'm going to open up the comments. All right. So for vocabulary, these are the topics that you're going to be studying. So word meanings, synonyms, antonyms, word roots. Word roots may not be tested in most exams, but if you know the roots, the meaning, synonym, antonym becomes very easy to identify. Foreign words, in some exams you will get. Idioms and phrases in a lot of exams, plus in a lot of reading. Phrasal verb is something that CAT used to love, but now, of course, it doesn't give you anything in anything else other than these four topics. So phrasal verbs. Fill in the blanks, closure, analogy, odd one out. Yes, AR is analytical reasoning. So all of this within vocabulary has to be prepped by you. Okay. So we are, bilkul. So all of this, I will tell you. Ritama, I'll come to that also. We'll talk about that. So all these are the topics that you do for vocabulary. RC, of course, we're just doing a lot of practice of RC. Plus, of course, we're doing the RC course. So you are anyways learning how to handle RC right now. Dipali, one by one. धीमे धीमे करोगे सब याद हो जाएगा. Now, critical reasoning, of course, you have passage-based CR. This is something that comes in RC also. So there is a passage, and based on that, there will be some questions. So it's part of reading comprehension also. Then you have deductive, you have conditionals, you have FIJs, you have cause effect, course of action, statement assumption, statement conclusion, and there may be some other random topics also. So this is all critical reasoning that you're doing. My critical reasoning course is starting on 12th of May, if I'm not mistaken. 12th of May, 7 p.m., Monday to Thursday. So you can also come in and join that. FIJ is fact inference judgment. Mridul, yeah, this time there was no RC in SNAP. We were very lucky. But you don't know. They haven't ruled it out. Remember that. Okay. Foreign words हम कराएंगे class में और कैसे करोगे? All right. Para-based questions, of course. Para-jumble, completion, para-summary, odd one out. You're already in my para-based course. So we are already doing it at 7 p.m. every day right now. Hi, cutie. How are you? All right, sentence correction. What is it that we're doing in grammar? Sentence correction, let me write grammar. Okay, so you have error identification, correct, incorrect, match the statements, figures of speech, direct, indirect, active, passive, and your regular grammar. So parts of speech kya hai, pronoun errors kya hai, modifier errors kya hai, and all of that is going to be part of this exam. Okay, we'll talk about that. All right, now. So what is it that you should be preparing and how should you be preparing? Let's talk about that. So let's start with RC only. So for reading comprehension, कैसे याद होंगे? Practice करके याद होंगे दीपाली. एक दिन में कुछ भी याद नहीं होगा. So slow and steady, everything you'll be able to learn. Okay. For RC, the first thing that everybody should do is start reading. because it's all about reading. Okay, so that's the first thing. So for what should you be reading? Here is a list of things that you should be reading. So weekly, you should be reading a novel if you're in the habit of it. If you're not, and if you really want to cry about it, don't read. But it's a good thing. Daily, you have to read the newspaper. No, Times of India is not a good newspaper. No, Ridhima. And you should be reading at least 2 or 3 articles from these sources. Aeon Essays, Al Daily, Project Syndicate, Guardian, Wall Street Journal, and New York Times. So these are some sources from where you should be reading. No, not the full newspaper. I recommend that you read the editorial pages, you read the business pages, you read the front page, you read the sports page, and you read the international page. Okay, beyond this, you don't need to read anything else. You don't need to read matrimonials. You don't need to read stock markets. हाँ कर देंगे. Okay. You're not able to join the group. Okay, go to Telegram and find the name of the group. You will be able to find it, cat 2021 Abhi. Simple. Okay, just find it there. Yes, Sunny, we do share articles. You will find that everyone puts out some articles. Swarnika does that. Sanket does that. Jhalak does that. They put out articles. Okay. Yes, matrimonials are not to be read by you right now. Okay. You could read at least 2 to 3 articles. Just Aeon paper, and I said, see, Aeon is a particular genre of reading, right? Al Daily is very culture and literature specific. So you should be reading a variety of articles. Do not stick to one genre only. Okay. Yes, Akanksha, you said it right. So reading is the first thing that you should start for RC. The second thing you should start is you should practice 1 RC daily. If you have just started right now, okay, if you're already started, you're doing it, then you're already doing 2 to 3 RCs every day. So I'm not bothering about that. But if you've just started out, then 1 reading comprehension every day will be good. Okay. In my group, we put out a DPRC, daily practice reading comprehension. Every single day, there is one that comes to you. So you can solve that also. Also, there is one session that we do at 5:45 where we are doing reading comprehension every day. So that's something that you can do. Okay, JJ, bye-bye. Okay. Yes, Anish, if you read the articles that are posted in the group, that is enough. Absolutely. We put out adequate number of articles for you. Okay. No, Hindu with me will not be enough because I'm just doing one editorial. You have to read the entire editorial, okay, which is 2.5 pages of op-eds. Okay, so not just my session. My session is good for short questions, answers, we practice. Okay, so that is good for RC. Last age, there is no age. You can fill it till you die. Whatever. I am 18 and I've been filling the form for the last 20 years or so. So there is no age bar. All right. So for RC, these are the 2 things that you start doing. Also, everybody, you are doing some amount of basics of RC. I'm sure if you're studying with Shabana ma'am, then also if you're studying with me, then also you have either done RC basics or we are currently doing RC basics Saturdays and Sundays. So you should be aware of that. If you're not, connect with me. I'll give you the group links. Okay. दर्शक तुम्हारे क्वेश्चन भी बताएंगे, रुक जाओ. Okay. All right. Reference books. Now this is something that yes, you need to talk about. So okay. But first, चलो ठीक है. हाँ, reading के लिए तो बोल ही दिया है. हाँ, you can give. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Workex है ना बीच में. All right. So here are some books that you should be practicing material using. You know. So for RC, you can use IMS 100, RC 99. GMAT Club, 1000 GMAT RCs. Okay, this is reference material. This is all available in the group. RCs by Sujit Kumar is a very good book for reading comprehension. You would have to order it from online or somewhere. So If you're a non-plus student, Sakshi, then you will have to join for plus. Unfortunately, RC Basics is not a course that we do in special sessions. It cannot. People don't stay that long. आरसी बेसिक समझने के लिए समय चाहिए, और जो स्पेशल क्लास के बच्चे होते हैं वो उतनी देर रुकते नहीं हैं, तो इसलिए उसमें नहीं कराते हैं. Unfortunately, Arun Sharma is a book that I have not solved till now. And that's why I don't recommend, as in I don't say anything. You can buy, it's perfectly okay, it's a good book, obviously. तो वो तुम्हारी चॉइस है. सुजीत कुमार क्योंकि मैंने सॉल्व करी है पर्सनली, इसलिए मैं रिकमेंड कर देती हूँ कि भाई हाँ ठीक है. Vocab के लिए Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis is a good book for preparation. Okay. Of course, I am doing a lot of sessions for vocabulary daily, so that also. For grammar basics, your Wren and Martin will help for the concepts, and then you can take it forward. हाँ, I know दर्शित यही प्रॉब्लम है, इसीलिए मैं नहीं करती हूँ, बट मैं नहीं रिकमेंड करती, बट ठीक है यार. To each his own. These books, this material will be available in the group. This you would have to buy. This also I'd suggest you buy. Grammar, you can use any book, yeah. It doesn't really matter. You have your school ka grammar book, use that. I've just given Wren and Martin because that's easily available. If you have Michael Swan, if you have whatever school grammar book is there, you can just take it. Okay. LRD and quants भी बता देंगे, 2 मिनट का टाइम दो. CR के लिए 1000 GMAT, CR is available in the group. You can just take that. This is all practice material. Practice material again for sentence correction. There is 1000 GMAT sentence correction. You can take that. Again, it will be available in the group. This is a set of 1000 questions. So you can do your concepts from Wren and Martin and from class, and then do this. IMS 99, yeah, IMS 100. IMS 100 hota hai. And RC 99 is Aristotle, if I'm not mistaken. So these are all available. Okay. So use all of these material. Now, how should you be doing your prep? Let's talk about that. Everyone. जो ग्रुप में मिल जाएगा उसको यूज कर लेना. जैसे ग्रुप ज्वाइन करते हो वेलकम मैसेज में सब लिस्ट होती है. Okay, so daily, what is it that you will do for your preparation? So start with reading. That's one. Reading has to be done every day. Okay. Second, you will practice one RC. Okay, all the newbies, this is for you. Practice one RC. This will take you about 30 minutes. This will take you about 1 to 2 hours. Okay. I'm giving you the maximum time. Then third, do a bit of vocabulary. You can do Word Power Made Easy. Spend 20 minutes on that. Or you can join me in class at noon. That's a 1 hour, excuse me. That's a 1 hour class, but that is also very helpful. Reading में क्या करना है? Suhasya, you have to read. I gave you a list of material. You have to sit down and read that material. Get into the habit of sitting down and reading. Okay, that's important. You have to get into the habit of sitting and reading, because when you will get into the habit of reading, that's when you will be able to improve on your reading comprehension. When you read an article, what you should ideally do is, after you finish reading, write down a summary of that passage, or write down the main idea of that passage. Either will work. That what have you read in this passage and what was this passage all about, if you can sum it up. So these are 3 things. Then if you have already done your para-based reasoning course and all, Akshada, I'll come to that. Yes, vocabulary, what you should be doing, we'll just talk a little bit more in detail. Reading के टाइम पे कभी भी words note नहीं करने हैं. Reading के टाइम पे सिर्फ reading करो. ठीक है, सिर्फ reading करो. That is very important. Just focus on the reading. You can underline the words then and there, but don't do anything else. Don't note down the words anywhere. समरी लिखते टाइम कम पड़ता है, अरे कोई बात नहीं, थोड़ा सा लिखो ना, पॉइंट पॉइंट में लिख लो. Yes, you can read anything, beta. It's perfectly okay. By some words I didn't get. What did you mean by that, Ishika? All right, so this. If you've done your para-based, then start doing 10 questions on para-based daily. Okay. And do 10 questions. If you've done your grammar, then start doing 10 questions on sentence correction. This will take you about 1 hour. Okay. So this is all that you should be doing. at this point. If you haven't done these courses, don't do this. Just do this. Okay. Now, Siddharth Sharma, no, it is not really required. If your vocabulary is good, you don't require it. But then your vocabulary has to be good. I'll tell you a test. Read the Hindu editorial. Okay. And if you're able to read the entire editorial without any word striking you as this is a word I don't know, don't do the word par made easy. I have never done word par made easy ever in my life. But if you read the editorial page and you find that there are at least 50 words that you don't know, you start working with word par made easy. तुमसे करवाई क्योंकि तुम करो, तुमको तो हम ऑल अबाउट वर्ड्स भी करवा रहे हैं. तुमको हम करवाते हैं क्योंकि तुम्हें हम घिसवा सकते हैं ना. Yes, I'll take you back to the last slide. Okay. Yes, you can use your apps, beta. Use your apps. There is no need. I know at this point of time the newspaper hawkers are not coming. What are you going to do about it? So, no worries. Okay. For vocabulary, now what is it that you can do? When we do our noon session every day, I ask you one thing before I start class. What do I say? Every time before I start class, I say, are you carrying your notebooks? Why are we asking you to carry a notebook? Because I want you to write down the words that we are discussing. Because these are words, because if you know the word, then it's okay. But if you haven't come across a word, then I want you to write it down. And I want you to be able to revisit it over, the week. What will happen is when you hear a word, you start remembering it. When you write it down, it gets affirmed in your mind. And when you revise it, koi bhi word, any word that you learn or you read for 5 times, that's when you really remember it. So how are you going to come across a word 5 times? So once when I do it in class, twice when you write it down, third when you revise it, and maybe fourth and fifth when you come across it in an exam or when you re-revise your notes or when Cat is coming and you say, okay, let me sit down and go through all the words that I've written in my notebook. That's where it will help, right? So you can take a notebook, take a nice fat copy, separate one. Don't use the notes copy. Take a nice fat copy, divide it into pages A to Z. And whatever words you come across, put them down. Write down the word, write down its meaning, write down a couple of synonyms, write down a couple of antonyms. If we discuss the root of that word, write down the root also. I've taught you so many roots, about 100 roots I've already taught you. So write down the roots of the words also. Cover all of this. What will happen is after a month, you will realize that there are so many words that you now know. And that when you will read the newspaper, you will realize, oh, I know all of this stuff. Okay? हाँ इक्वली डिवाइड कर लो यार, क्या फर्क पड़ने वाला है, इतना क्या, एस में ज्यादा जगह लगा लेना. X is the biggest page. Okay, the root is the main sound of a word. Okay, when you say telephone, there are 2 roots there, tele and phone. Now wherever you see phone, it has to do with sound. Euphony, cacophony, phonetics, phonological, phenome, right? All of these words will come to your ear. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, नई कॉपी बना लो. कैट के अलावा बेस्ट एग्जाम्स बताए इतने सारे, देखो, here are all the exams that you should be thinking of. These are the best exams: CAT, XAT, NMAT, SNAP, IFT. At least these you have to write, at least. Okay, at least. What should one read on a daily basis? On a daily basis, like I said, you should be reading all of this. So you should be doing a newspaper, some articles from Aeon. This is your daily wala material. Okay. Weekly you should be reading 1 novel and of course doing 1 RC every day. Beta ye sab bahut achhe hain. Within these there will be colleges that you will apply to. Those colleges you cannot apply to 100 colleges, right? So you will pick and choose your colleges. How to read word par made easy? You have to go through the entire book. There are 47 chapters. Read it chapter by chapter. Once you're through with the chapters, there is a list of words at the end. Please go through that list of words. By the time you've done all the chapters, you will also be able to know all the words that are there in the list also. So that to practice RC from, I am giving out one daily practice reading comprehension in the Telegram group. So you can take it from there. The group link is right above the chats. Okay. So this is there every day. It is a daily practice reading comprehension. One comes to you every day. So you can practice from there. As well, you can practice from any of this material. This is also available in the group. And GMAT Club, you can go download it from Google it. Just Google it. GMAT Club is available on Google. Okay. For WDPI, what is that? How many hours should you spend? Initially, you'll have to spend around 3.5 hours because reading plus practice. Okay. But later, your reading will reduce. Therefore, it will come to 1 to 2 hours. 2 hours se kam mein nahi hoga. Please understand that. For GDPI, right now you only have to read. If you're reading the newspaper every day, you're building your opinions, right? Because GDs don't happen now. Now it is only writing ability test and personal interview. And writing ability test also, a lot of the institutes have done away with for now. So you will mostly encounter a what and a PI. So what, they will ask you to write on something. So if you're reading the newspaper every day, you're building some opinions. So that preparation is happening. And then apart from that, for PI also this is happening. So you don't really have to specifically do anything separately right now. Only the newspaper reading and follow all the current important events. Like if these elections in West Bengal and the consequent rioting and bawal and murders and whatever is happening. Now this will become very important. So write it down in your notebook somewhere. Keep a notebook for this also. So write this. हाँ, कोई भी स्टार्ट कर सकता है यार, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला। RC99 कहीं ये नहीं लिखा है कि दिस इज बिगिनिंग। दीपाली, तुम्हें और किसके लिए जानना है मुझे बताओ। GDs are not happening right now. Okay. For LRDI, okay, let's quickly talk very quickly about LRDI and QAO. I am not an expert in these areas. Let me tell you, I do 5 questions every year in QA, and I do solve 2 sets in LRDI every year. That's all I do in CAT. Okay, so I don't get through, but hey, I understand that for LRDI you should be practicing for 1 hour every day. Okay, 4 sets. If you practice every single day, you are on the track to success. Now, this is something that I got from the topper of LRDI, somebody who had 100 percentile this year, Shivam Chandak, right? तो उससे मैं बात किया तो मैंने पूछा तू क्या करता था LRDI में इतना कैसे? He said मैं 5 LRDI सेट सॉल्व करता था हर रोज, 5 सेट हर रोज. And he was saying that I was able to हाँ LRDI देखो, please understand that CAT does not really segregate into LR and DI now. They just give you these mixed LRDI sets. So whatever you're practicing, do practice around 5 sets combined. Okay. Tejash, if it is taking you 2 hours right now, it's all right. Spend 2 hours. What else do you have to do right now? You have nothing else to do. Preparing for CAT is your goal. So do what it takes, right? 1 घंटे में 4 सेट्स नहीं होते तो 3 कर लेना भाई, 2 कर लेना, 2 कर सकते हो तो 2 कर लेना. And ultimately for CAT you will have to make 4 sets because they'll actually give you 40 minutes and you will have to do at least 3 sets. In 40 minutes, if you're doing 3 sets, then 1 hour 4 sets is not impossible. Na? I'm not giving you incorrect targets. But hey, right now if you're not able to do it, it's okay. Take as much time. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. ठीक है? हाँ, LRDI के लिए you can take Arun Sharma. There is और भी जो भी बुक्स हैं, प्रैक्टिस मटेरियल जो मिल जाए. बहुत अच्छी चीज बता दो, चोरी वाली. तुम्हारे जितने अनअकैडमी के एजुकेटर्स हैं, उनकी सबकी LRDI की क्लासेस होती हैं. क्लास के अगले दिन वाला जो है जाके उसका वो PDF डाउनलोड कर लो, उसमें सेट होते हैं. रिया मैम तो 50,000 सेट डालती है. उनके सेट ले लो, सॉल्व करते रहो. सबके PDF लो, डाउनलोड करो, सॉल्व करो और उस वाली क्लास में जाकर के चेक कर लो आंसर क्या है. That is such a creepy thing to do. But you need sets, right? What else do you need? So, so अब मतलब हाँ ठीक है, that's a very cheap thing to say. LRDA में थोड़े से concepts होते हैं. The initial classes you should attend. So that will give you an orientation. जैसे arrangement करना है तो कैसे करना है. The teachers have some hacks. You know, they have some special tricks which they will be able to tell you, which I can't tell you, which you can't learn on your own. Therefore, do the basic classes. Definitely don't miss out on that. And then practice, 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 practice. अब यार वो एजुकेटर तुम्हारी मर्जी है, जो भी चाहो तुम कर सकते हो. हमारे तो प्यारे सबसे फेवरेट पीटी सर हैं, भारत गुप्ता सर हैं. ये लोग मतलब हमारे ला अडोरेबल्स में से आते हैं. ठीक है. सो दैट्स दैट. सो फॉर एलआरडीआई प्रैक्टिस. निशांत खन्ना सर को तो हम जानते नहीं है पुत्र. क्यूए ओके. As far as QA is concerned, यार I'm very bad at QA. मैं तो ट्रेडिशनल मैथ्स ही करती हूँ, मतलब नंबर सिस्टम करती हूँ, TSD करती हूँ, टाइम एंड वर्क करती हूँ, रेशियो, प्रपोर्शन, मिक्सचर, एलिगेशन, ये सब टाइप के क्वेश्चंस ही मुझे आते हैं और मैं यही सब करती हूँ. So I really don't know, but I'll tell you one thing for QA. Let's say you're following your teacher, whoever your teacher is, चाहे रवि सर हो, बीजी सर हो, कोई भी हो, जो भी एजुकेटर है, जब वो पढ़ाते हैं ना, लेट्स से वो तुम्हें टीएसडी पढ़ा रहे हैं, तो ऑन योर ओन ट्राई एंड सॉल्व 200 क्वेश्चंस ऑफ टीएसडी. ओके, डू दिस इन राइटिंग. ओके, सॉल्व 200 क्वेश्चंस ओवर अ वीक. Solve 200 questions. Then 200 questions, do them orally. Again, maybe you can do the same questions, but do them orally. Okay. And then finally do another 100 questions. Okay. If you do this, what will happen is you will affix these concepts and this type of question in your mind. जब इतनी प्रैक्टिस करोगे ना, तभी तुम्हारा टॉपिक कवर होगा. जो कहता है मैं 50 क्वेश्चन कर लिया, मैं तो टाइम एंड वर्क का बादशाह हो गया, या मुझे परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन आ गया, या मुझे तो फंक्शन आ गए, ग्राफ्स आ गए, दैट डजंट हैपन. दैट विल नेवर हैपन, ट्रस्ट मी. सो इफ यू आर डूइंग क्यूए ना, डू 500 क्वेश्चंस, तब तुम्हारी एक्सपर्टीज होगी. तब तुम कह सकते हो आई हैव क्लोज्ड दिस टॉपिक. ओके. हाँ, तो प्रवीण सर करते हैं ना, 1500 क्वेश्चन करा रहे हैं, तुम भी करो. वो ही करना है. You have to do as many questions as you can. You will do, and trust me, when you will solve, you will be able to feel confident. हमने जितने टॉपिक्स किए हैं, उस पे हमें सारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना आता है. I can solve all the questions with full confidence. हमने और ज्यादा टॉपिक किए नहीं है ना, हम करना चाहते हैं. But I know that if these are the 5 topics, I will solve every single question. So that is something that you also have to do. And that confidence will come with practice. जितना प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतना घिस घिस के उतने अच्छे हो जाओगे. This is good for RC also, this is good for vocabulary also, this is good for LRDI and TSD also, or for QA. So QA guys, when you pick a topic, you're starting, your teacher is starting a topic, take that and solve. सवाल solve करो, ठीक है, वो बहुत जरूरी है. So that's something that yes, खुद करो, सर नहीं करेंगे, तुम करोगे. What is GA? GA क्या होता है? General awareness. GK. तो इसके लिए तो you are reading the newspaper. Whoever is reading the newspaper every day, you have got this covered, man. That's why I say Hindu. I don't recommend Guardian for reading every day because Guardian does not give you Indian knowledge. That is talking about UK. We need to do something that is Indian. So you're covering your GK and you're covering your English. नहीं, कैट में नहीं आता है. कैट में नहीं आता है, बाकी सब एग्जाम्स में आता है जीके. ठीक है, इसलिए जीके के लिए न्यूज़पेपर हिंदू बेस्ट है. एब्सोल्युटली, इट इज द बेस्ट न्यूज़पेपर बिकॉज ऑफ द रीजन आई एम सेइंग. इट विल कवर your general awareness, it will cover your reading, it will cover your comprehension, it will cover your vocabulary, everything. How different is IFT from CAT? Siddharth, I'll say CAT is an easier exam than IFT because the number of seats in CAT are far more than in IFT. Also, the questions in IFT are trickier. Okay, so that's why I feel it is a tougher exam. Average कितने sets करने होंगे for LRDI? 2.5, 3 sets minimum, 3 to 3.5 sets. बनारस हिंदू कॉलेज अच्छा नहीं है बेटा. IP MAT versus CAT. Nitin, IP MAT is specifically for the 5-year MBA. And IP MAT does not have a lot of topics which are common to CAT. It will have just reading comprehension. For maths, it will have higher maths which CAT does not test you on. So there is a level of difference within that exam. Goa Institute of Management is a good college, man. It's a good college. Daily kitne hours they have? Okay, I'll just quickly touch upon that. So QA, at least 3 hours. LRDI, at least 1 hour. VARC, for anyone who's a beginner, at least 3 hours. I'm saying at least 3 hours, okay? Or rather, LRDI also 2 hours. We'll keep it at that because a lot of you haven't started LRDI, okay? So this is my suggestion right now. If you've already been preparing for a long time, hey, cut it down to 2 hours. But I'll tell you something, anyone who actually cracks the exam spends time. नहीं, CAT में FIJ नहीं आता है बेटा. PGDM और MBO से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Different institutes, the IIMs only give you a PGDM. So what are you going to say to them? IIM से कहोगे कि नहीं हम MBA करेंगे, नहीं IIM चले जाओगे. तो इसलिए कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा यार, PGDM हो या MBA हो, करो बिंदास. IIM को से कॉल आ जाएगा, you will be grateful, I will be eternally grateful. We will sit and cry and you will join a PGDM. Yes दर्शित, आपके क्वेश्चन बोलिए फटाफट. आपके क्वेश्चन क्या है? Is there a tablet or medicine for remembering all that? Brajesh, how cute of you. You will have to remember that and more. Trust me. कोई भी कर सकता है PGDM. दर्शित आर्या, मेरे पास वो कैब ओलंपियाड ड्राइंग की सर्टिफिकेट है. क्लास 1 से 8 तक कोई सर्टिफिकेट की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th एंड ग्रेजुएशन के सर्टिफिकेट्स की वैल्यू है. सो यस Swarnika, that is a very ridiculous thing. कि PGDM करना है, MBA नहीं, all of that is very ridiculous. XLRI will take admission at such amazing percentiles. You need to be a 999, then 99.99. तब तुम्हारा एडमिशन होगा. XLRI में होगा नहीं लोगों का, इसलिए जाएंगे नहीं जाएंगे तो कहने की बात है. LRDI में और क्वांट में, LRDI में तुम्हें 3.5 सेट्स करने पड़ेंगे. क्वांट में तुम्हें एटलीस्ट 17 क्वेश्चंस करने पड़ेंगे अप्रोक्सीमेटली. इंग्लिश में तुम्हें 15 क्वेश्चंस करने पड़ेंगे. आई लव एक्सेल, मुझे भी मालूम है यार. आउट ऑफ एज मेनी राइट नाउ जितने भी आ रहे हैं. सो दिस इज आई थिंक 24, दिस इज आई थिंक 26, दिस इज आई 26. हाँ दर्शित चलेगा बिल्कुल. या टोटल 76. हे माय मैथ्स इज अ लिटिल बैड. डिड आई डू द कैलकुलेशन राइट? बेबी आर्म्स ठीक होते हैं बिल्कुल दीपाली. दे आर प्रीटी गुड. Baby arms are pretty good. They're pretty good. 12th के मार्क्स अच्छे ना हो तो कुछ कर नहीं सकते हो वैद्या. ANZ. You will just have to make sure that you get a very good score in CAT. There is no other option. भाई अगर CAT में मान ले तेरी 100 परसेंटाइल आ गई, इंडिया में 120 लोगों की आती है, ठीक है, तो वो तुझे कॉल देंगे ना. तो now then you will have to force the colleges into giving you a call, which means you have to have a 99.99. बीकॉम लास्ट ईयर स्टूडेंट बाद में आता है, बाद में दर्शित. बीकॉम लास्ट ईयर स्टूडेंट, स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग नाउ. इट इज टाइम. start with your quant, start with your LRDI, start with VRC. I've already said VRC में तुम्हें क्या क्या करने की जरूरत है. ये तुम्हारा प्लान है, इतना करना चाहिए. There is nothing like minimum marks, Tejas. Ideally, if you have a 90, 90, 19, all three, you are a very happy person. So is the rest we really can't say because actually this is something that ठीक है, lower percentile पे भी आती है कॉल, lower percentage पे भी आती है. Akash, WorkX not in India. You are lucky we are living in India. MBA के लिए WorkX की बहुत जरूरत नहीं है. अगर है तो बहुत अच्छा है. 2 to 3 years का वर्क एक्स बहुत अच्छा होता है, बट नहीं है तो फ्रेशर्स का भी एडमिशन होता है. 40% सीटें हैं फ्रेशर्स के लिए इन ऑल. 799 Swarnika, what choice? Can you change it? No. So you can't change, then just grin and be happy about it. कैट के स्कोर से एडमिशन नहीं होता है, कैट के बाद व्हाट और पीआई होगा, उससे होगा. CAT is a qualifying exam, not a selecting exam. The what PI then becomes the select. So your graduation marks, your work ex, your CAT marks, your GDPI, and your what. Combine all of this, and this will give you your integrated score, which is what the final merit list will consider. यार दर्शित पता क्या है, 88 परसेंटाइल पे तेरे भाई की आ गई, क्योंकि कुछ स्पेशल चीजें रही होंगी, वर्क एक्स होगा, कुछ है ना. Work X also has certain score allocated to it. So there are some 5 marks that are allocated. X number of years you get X marks, X number of years you get X marks. ऐसा होता है, तो वो भी add up होता है. SC, ST, OBC, yes, that is why there would be a call. Entirely possible. Work X हो सकता है. EWS is not a category for admission. SC, ST, OBC, yes, is a category. PWD, that is a category, not EWS. Tejash, if your friend got 5.2 CGPA in 10th and 51 in 12th, again, if he gets very good score in CAT, then yes. So preparation करने में कोई बुराई नहीं है, but preparation सही करनी है ना? So yes. Yes, it is enough to get a good college, Sunny, but you have to start getting a good score in CAT. There is no minimum. You have to have, I think, 50% in your 10th and 12th. Okay. So you can tell your friend to join in. No harm, but preparation sahi karni padegi. All right. Any other questions you guys have? Whether you can crack the exam first. नहीं यार, मैं आईएम से नहीं हूं, मैं कभी क्वांट क्रैक ही नहीं किया. बताया तो क्वांट में 5 क्वेश्चन करके आती हूँ. 5 क्वेश्चन में कहां से 99 आएगी? Yes, we have our class at 7. Absolutely. 70-80 is good. For what? For your 10th, 12th? Profile building, let's talk about it at some other time. We will do one more session at some time and then we can talk about it. I hope today's session was helpful, guys. Yes, Watson, you can get a good college also at 80%. 80%, not percentile, huh? वैशाली, हाँ, हमारे यहाँ भी यही होता था, तो कुछ कर नहीं सकते. What is done is done. All right, I hope this was very helpful for you. We are doing odd ones out at 7 p.m. ठीक है? How many days required to complete? It will be parallel. You will be preparing till the day of CAT. Allahabad University, my beloved. You can't get any more score. Lucknow University, Allahabad University, they're happy. Topper at 65%. Disgusting people. But hey, we can't do anything. So just chill, study, get a good percentile in CAT. Then you can go and tell also, na, here is my toppers list. Here I am, batch topper at 70%. What am I supposed to do? So yeah. All right, everybody, thank you so much. I hope this session was useful for you. Do remember to join the group. If you haven't, then do. Thank you, Brijesh. नहीं, सारे नहीं कर पाती हूँ यार. सारे का टाइम ही नहीं होता इतना. All right, thank you, everybody. Bye bye. See you.